I reached was about 2:30 in the afternoon. The work is complete. They're still here. As you can see, they covered the pipe and put the soil back, and all the pipes are here. Like Jeff said, they will be taking care of the grass later in the year. So the workers are still here, and as far as I'm concerned, the drainage work is completed.